Hey guys, what's up? It's Courtney. I am back with another video. Hello, hello, hey, hello, 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 hey, hello, hello. Everybody's having a theme song nowadays, so I want one too. So with the summer right around the corner, I decided to switch it up a little bit more and bring out some more of the colorful look. I am going to have some more on the way for you, as well as a couple other looks that I have been inspired by lately. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, leave a comment down in the comment section and be sure to like this video and subscribe. Anyways, let's go on and move on to this tutorial. So guys, I'm starting off with my primer, the Hangover Primer, to hydrate and prime my face. And then I'm going to be following up with the Matte Poreless Fit Me Foundation in the color Cappuccino. This is not my color anymore. Look at my neck. I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. Somehow. I get much lighter when it's cold outside during the winter and fall. So, look at that. No. So yeah, I need to keep changing foundations because of that, which is pretty annoying if you ask me. I'm gonna take a little bit of my infallible L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation. I don't know how this is gonna work because I'm kind of mixing two. I'm gonna take a little bit of this. Kind of, yeah, that works a little bit. And once I put the highlight and everything, that will kind of make it all cohesive. So next I am taking my ColourPop concealer. So I'm taking a little bit of this concealer and I'm placing it in the areas I conceal. And then I'm going to take, again, my foundation brush. I'm just going to blend that out. And I'm using my foundation brush so it's not as bright of a highlight. Okay, and then for my under eye, I'm using my Real Technique sponge. Ooh, good morning, under eye. Good morning. Even though it's afternoon, good morning to you, under eye, because you've been looking a little tad lately. I'm gonna take some Laura Mercier, pat that on my under eye. Sit. Okay, next I'm taking my contour kit. These two, these two shades right here. I'm going to take the Morphe 350 palette and I'm going to use this orange shade here. Okay, next I'm taking Ada in the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. To add some depth, I'm going to be taking this color from the 350 palette. This is like a darker, more rich brown, sort of, just to add a little bit of depth. Next, I am taking my Pro Conceal, and I'm going to cut my crease. And this part doesn't have to be extremely perfect if you're first starting it, because what's so great about this is you can blend right around it. While it's a little bit tacky, I'm going to use Xoxo from the Magic palette from Juvia's Place, and this is like a iridescent type of color. Actually, I want a little bit more color payoff because I'm extra, so I'm going to use a little bit of this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that on my brush. So pretty. Now I'm gonna take Aja from the same palette, and I'm gonna pop that right above my crease. I'm gonna place that on my corner as well. So I'm gonna use Vi right here. I'm gonna use this liner, and it's my NYX Vivid Brights liquid liner. And I'm gonna pop on some lashes and I will be back. Next, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty lipstick, and this is in the color Midnight Wasabi. I just love the packaging on this. Look at that. And this is the color here. So pretty. So I'm putting a little bit of foundation from earlier on my lips so I get a good color payoff. Because this is a green color, I'm going to add a little bit of blush. And I'm using the Bare Minerals loose powder brush in Amethyst. I think Amethyst. Aubergine. And then what would this look be without highlighter? So I'm going to be using the Master Chrome Molten Gold highlighter. A little bit of setting spray. And that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you like more videos like this, these colorful looks, please let me know down in the comment section. If you guys want a tutorial on this hairdo, please let me know down in the comment section as well. It was great seeing you guys again, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!